Okay, I'll go first. I'm Cammie with Laundromat Girl. I am excited to go to the Curbside Laundries conference because I feel like last time I went to, I walked away from that conference with just this fire under me, wanting to go home and just really scale my business because I was finally in a room with other people who were doing the same thing as me that were bigger players than me, so I knew it could be done. So that's another reason why I'm excited to go is to feel that fire, to feel that excitement about my business again, and to really scale it for going into 2027.
He's a natural, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Give it a shot.
I'll go. Hello, I'm Jodan Reed. Welcome.
I'm Kelly Reed.
Yes, and we will be at Curbside 2026. We were there last time. Best conference I've ever been to. Learned so much. I didn't realize I could learn any more than I have being in this business 20 years plus. And I'm so excited to have the opportunity to speak at his conference at Curbside 2026. We look forward to being there. So please come and hang out with us because it's going to be a great time.
Yes, we'll see you there.
Carlos, you want to go?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Carlos Ochoa with Laundromat Money. I'm going to be going to the Curbside Conference 2026. I hope to see you guys there. It's actually the first conference that I ever went to back in 2024 and where I met most of these people. And one of the best things that I love about these things is not only do you get to hear from all the speakers and to be able to hear about other people that are in the same industry as you, but the networking opportunities. You're talking to a bunch of people that aren't in your market that have all these tips and tricks of what's working for them, what's not working for them. I literally grab a piece of paper, write a bunch of questions that I want to get answered, and throughout the whole conference, I go out and just ask people, and they tell you. So it's an amazing experience. So if you guys have the chance, meet us in LA. I look forward to meeting with you guys.
You guys made that look really easy.
Oh,
You guys
God.
And you had to go last, right?
Yeah, I know. Well, I think we ran out of time. We're over time. Okay. Well, we'll give it a shot. All right. Hey, everybody. I'm Mark.
I'm Kathy.
And we are with Simply Clean Laundry Service. You may also know us as Lint Lovers on TikTok. We are excited to go to Curbside 2026. They've got a great lineup this year, lots of great presentations, a lot of great speakers. But I think a lot of people know that the real action happens after hours. That's where the networking occurs. That's where you get to rub shoulders with all these people in the industry. And that's what I look forward to the most. I love the networking and I love the presentation. So we're really looking forward to it. Thanks.
See you there.
Natural. Mark's a natural.
Mark, that was great.
All right, Matt.
You've got to go to Curbside 2026. It is stacked with the blah, 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 blah. All right, hold on. This could be a long blooper reel. You've got to go to Curbside 2026. It is stacked with the top-notch industry speakers in the business who are going to be sharing their tips to success. So this isn't theory, this is people who are actually doing it. And the networking opportunities are off the charts because you're going to be surrounded by other people just like yourself who didn't just happen to be in Long Beach on June 24th to 26th. They made the effort. These are the go-getters who are traveling to be around other people just like them who are dedicated to success, dedicated to growing their business, and you're going to make new friends in the business, and you're going to have stuff to talk to them about, a lot of stuff in common. These are relationships that you're going to be able to stay in touch with them then and in the future. And so it's going to be a great get together. We've got networking, cocktail receptions. We've got 2 of them. We've got lunches, we've got breakfasts, and ample networking opportunities throughout the entire event. So this is the event to go to. It's only once every 2 years. So you don't want to miss it. June 24th to 26th in beautiful Long Beach, downtown Long Beach, over at the Hyatt Regency. So hope to see you there.
That was great.
Man, you locked in.
Before we go, I'm going to take a picture really quick. Is that okay?
Sure. Yeah.
And then we'll do
Yay.
a 3, 2, 1. See you at Curbside
Oh,
2026.
nice.
Okay, ready? Perfect.
3, 2, 1.
See you at Curbside 2026.